Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Venmo on QuickBooks. So we're currently here on QuickBooks, and from here all you have to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. And next in the left panel, just click on bank transactions, and from the bank transactions page, just click on link account. And from here, we're just going to start by searching for our bank. And all you have to do is type in Venmo, then click on Venmo. And from here, you will be asked to sign in on your Venmo account. Just enter in your email or phone or username and also your password. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on continue. And from there, all you have to do is follow the guidelines and on screen steps to connect. Your bank may require additional security checks and it may take a few minutes to connect. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!